The desire to create life from non-living things is a story as old as humanity itself. It's a deep and persistent yearning, woven into our earliest myths and legends. Long before the circuit board, storytellers imagined beings crafted from clay, wood, metal, given motion by gods or magic. In Greek myth, Hephaestus forged golden handmaidens, not statues, thinking, moving servants of gleaming metal. This ancient dream planted the first seed of robotics. It wasn't only myth. Across the ancient world, inventors tried to make it real. In Alexandria, minds like Hero made contraptions that mimicked life. He built birds that sang as water flowed through them. He made automatic temple doors that opened by steam. Steam rose from a sacrificial fire. Simple mechanisms by today's standards, but revolutionary then. They used pneumatics and hydraulics to create the illusion of independent action. These automatons inspired awe. They featured in religious ceremonies. They entertained royalty. Their inner workings were closely guarded secrets. Imagine a bronze statue pouring wine on its own, a miracle to ancient eyes. That wonder still drives robotics today. For many centuries, the dream of the automaton lay sleeping, a curiosity of a bygone era. But then, in the workshops of medieval and Renaissance Europe, a new kind of magic began to take hold. This was the magic of the clockmaker. These artisans, with their extraordinary patience and precision, gears, springs, escapements, they were learning to capture and measure time itself, creating intricate machines that ticked with a steady, predictable rhythm. It was this mastery over complex mechanical systems that would rekindle the ancient ambition of creating artificial life with a new level of sophistication and artistry the world had never before seen. Celestial clocks, ornate timepieces, were soon applied to more whimsical, lifelike creations. The automaton was reborn, not powered by steam or water, but by the tightly wound energy of a spring, released with the controlled precision of clockwork. In the 18th century, inventors like Jacques de Vaucanson and the Jacquet-Droz family became celebrities for their astonishing mechanical figures. Vaucanson's digesting duck, a marvel of copper, could flap its wings, crane its neck, eat grain from a person's hand, and via a hidden compartment even appear to digest it. The gentle ticking of the clockwork automaton was soon to be drowned out the roar of the steam engine. The Industrial Revolution began to gather pace in the late 18th century. It wasn't about lifelike figures for entertainment. It was about harnessing immense power to do work on a scale never before imagined. This era was driven by a new kind of thinking, one focused on efficiency, productivity, mass production. The artisanal clockmaker gave way to robust engineering needed to drive looms. Pumps, presses, automation moved from the drawing room to the factory floor. The key innovation? Break complex tasks into simple, repeatable steps.